Shay. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the beauty community tag. I was tagged by my friend Jess over at Beauty and Baseball, and I figured no better time than now to film. I'm excited because I've never actually done one of these. I am going to be doing this on a whim because I haven't even read through the questions yet. I'm literally going to pick up my phone, read them, and just answer as true as I honestly can. Little disclaimer, I am still a little bit sick, so my voice is going to sound a little funky. It should go away in a couple days. And also, this is my first video with my new lighting setup. I have some tweaking and adjusting to do, but I kind of wanted to do a video similar to this just to see kind of where we're at. So as long as you guys can forgive me, work with me through this, we should be good as gold in a very short amount of time. So without further ado, let's dive into this beauty community tag. So I have right here on my phone the list of questions for this tag. Number 1, what are your favorite videos to watch? This kind of changes depending on my mood, but I'd say overall my favorite videos to watch are either project panning videos, because it really helps to motivate me to really use what I have in my collection. I have a very large collection, more than the average person should have, so I feel like I'm not always getting my money's worth out of my products because I don't use all my products. And by watching people doing project pans and participating in project pans, I feel like I'm really getting some use out of the products that I have spent my money on. So that's definitely one video I love to watch. I love to see people's progress and watch products dwindle down. It's a satisfying feeling to watch that. Another video that I tend to like to watch are empties videos, because I feel like the best person to ask about a product review is somebody who has used that product from start to finish. It's a great way to learn about new products. It's a great way to kind of steer you away from maybe some negative products. I just think they're great for overall pros and cons of things that you may be interested in. So those are another really addictive video to watch. Question number 2 is, what are your favorite videos to film? And this one is kind of tricky because I don't have too many videos up on my YouTube just yet. I have been filming for a very long time, quite a few years, but I was a Facebook filmer over in a beauty group on Facebook. So the transition, I've done it all. But here on YouTube, my favorite videos to film so far are probably my favorites videos, because I love to share what I'm loving with you guys. I love to give you guys true reviews, and it's like a kid on Christmas. You want to spoil the surprises, you know? You want to tell everybody what their presents are. It's like that. If I find something fantastic, I just want to shout to the world how amazing this is, and you all need to get it because it's that good. It changed my life. It'll change yours. So I think that that's my favorite video to film. I love showing you guys what I'm loving, and in return I like to watch favorites videos of other people, and sometimes they cross paths and one or the other develop a new favorite based on the person they watched. So I think it's a win-win all in one. If I tweak this question just a little bit into what videos would I not want to watch, it would be all of the drama videos. I have enough in my life, enough going on in my life, in my YouTube career, in my real career. I don't need drama, and I'm not interested in drama. I am here for product reviews. I'm here for sharing my skill, my talent, whatever you might want to call it here in the beauty community. Make beautiful friends. I'm not here to listen to brand bickering and the inside scoop of who broke up with who, and it's not for me. It's not for me. I'm here for the products. I'm here for the community. I'm here for the family. So those are definitely probably the lowest on my list of videos that I like to even think about watching. Question number 4 is, what is your favorite part of the beauty community? And that is exactly that, the beauty community. I love this sense of friendship and family that you create with a lot of people who you might never have met pre-YouTube days. So I have met so many amazing people here on YouTube, some of them very high up in the YouTube world, some of them just starting out, and I've created some amazing friends, wonderful relationships that I wouldn't trade for the world. And I think that's really the best part of the beauty community, is how uplifting we are to each other and to society. I feel like I'm giving an interview. Are you guys getting an interview vibe? This is supposed to be like such a lighthearted video, and I get so uncomfortable when I have to be serious. I don't know. You guys, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know, this isn't me. I can't do this informal stuff. I need to be like joking around, choking on my water. That's me. I feel like I'm interviewing like a murder investigation or something. What is your least favorite part of the beauty community? My least favorite part of the beauty community, you know, I have to say it would be those who place themselves higher than others. Regardless of how many subscribers you have, regardless of how many views on your videos you have, you're still just you. And we're all equal here. So whether you have 200 subscribers or whether you have 2 million subscribers, at the end of the day, we all shower, shit, shave, and sleep, you know? We all have a life, and whether your life is extravagant or whether your life is just low-key, it doesn't matter. We're all just people, and we all have a say in it because that's what we do. We all have that same passion. We all have that same love, but just because some of us have been around longer than others doesn't mean that their opinion is any more than somebody else. I don't like the levels, the layers of the beauty community. I wish we could all just kind of be on one same level playing field. And obviously that's not the case, and it probably never will be, which is how it is, but if it is something that I wish I could change, for sure. Question number 6. What motivated me to start my channel? Well, you guys. 100% you guys. Like I said, I had a Facebook group with a good number. I want to say it was 160,000 people in this Facebook beauty group, and I would go live, I would do tutorials, I would do favorites, I would do empties videos, I would do tags, I would do everything, hauls. I just never got into the YouTube thing. And then upon months and months and months of my members begging me to be on YouTube, I finally cracked and said, you know what? Why not? Why not? The videos will be a heck of a lot shorter. It'll be a good time. So here I am, and I love it. I am very much enjoying it, and I don't plan on stopping or going anywhere. So, question number 7, who most inspires you on YouTube? There's a lot of people who inspire me in a lot of different ways. I have watched some YouTubers from the days of sitting on their floor in their bedrooms with their camera on their phone, and now they are in the hundreds of thousands of subscribers. I have watched beauty gurus grow from being nobodies to everybody's. I've watched small YouTubers just maintain a small channel and love it. So it's really hard to say who specifically inspires me because there's so many of you that inspire me. Question number 8 is number 1 thing you would change about the beauty community. I actually touched on this back in a couple questions ago. I would change when it comes to product reviews, I trust smaller YouTubers usually more than gurus with, you know, millions of subscribers, because these people don't have 500,000 videos to film constantly and work with brands and have sponsorships and all these things. I trust smaller YouTubers more for reviews because they truly use that product. They bought that product, they use it, and they have a real review on it because they're everyday people. They live everyday lives. And I think to take that out of the beauty community is important, where we don't have that level of differences between the people who have more subscribers than others. I think people look at YouTubers by the number of their subscribers. Some of my favorite YouTubers to watch of all time only have 1,000 subscribers, and I routinely watch them because they are awesome people. But I feel like if you're not, you know, part of the clique in that high subscriber numbers, people don't pay attention to you, and I think that's wrong. I really think that more people should be put out there for what they say and what they do, because there are some people who are incredible YouTubers that just don't ever get seen, and that's one thing that I would change about the YouTube community for sure. Question 9 is number 1 advice for other creators or new people starting out a channel. My number 1 advice is to stick to your style. Don't change who you are to be a bigger YouTuber. Don't change what you originally start your channel about. Keep it that way. But make sure you keep your why solid. My why for starting my YouTube channel, why I wanted to do it, was because I loved being the advice to my friends. My friends always came to me for makeup and beauty advice. They would come to me for skincare. They would come to me for product advice. They would come to me to apply their products for them. And I feel that going on YouTube, I can expand that to people that I don't know and still give my advice and give my real, true, honest opinions and reviews. That is important. Keep your why. Why did you start? As long as you have that intact, I think your channel will do just fine. And finally, question number 10 is, what do you love about YouTube as a whole? Well, other than the fact that it occupies me for most of my evening once my children go to bed, what I love about YouTube as a whole is that you can pretty much find anything. It's like the Google of videos, and you also have so many potential people that could either alter your life, change your life for the better, become a friend, maybe just something as simple as review a product that you fall in love with and it becomes your new product. It has so much potential to change your life, even in little ways. And I think that's amazing that it can all be done using just a camera, some lighting, and you. And I just think it's so neat. And that is it for the beauty community tag. Also, I'm going to tag a few of my friends here on YouTube. Definitely make sure to check out their channels down in the description box. If you guys liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below an answer to one of these questions for yourself. Why do you love YouTube? What would you change about YouTube? Do you enjoy my channel? What would you change about my channel? I take criticism very, very, very strongly, because I want to make sure I'm giving you guys what you want when you watch my videos. So again, I apologize for my voice. I apologize if the lighting is a little funky in here. I'm working with it. They just arrived, so I'm still kind of playing around with the settings on the ring lights and the soft boxes. It's a process. It's a process. I know there's nothing behind me to look at that's cute. We're gonna work on it. Just bear with me. But that is it. I hope you guys tune into my next video. Hopefully we are going to get some amazing content out now that I have better lighting. So thank you again for watching, and I hope you guys subscribe. If you do, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified of future videos from me. And since I started to ramble, we're gonna go. Thank you guys. Love you all. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye guys.